Hello everyone. In this video, we'll set up the ESP32 board by installing the necessary USB driver, and we'll upload the blink LED code to test if everything is working correctly. Let's get started. Take out both breadboards from the kit. Now, join them like this. Place one breadboard next to the other so that it fits into the groove properly. Now, take out the ESP32 from your kit and place it on the breadboard, right here and here. Like this. Once placed properly, you'll see that it fits well. You also need to fit it the same way. Now, take out the micro USB cable from the kit. Insert one end into the ESP32 like this, and plug the other end into your computer. You'll see a light turn on, that means the ESP32 is now connected. If the light doesn't turn on, there might be a problem with your cable. Try replacing it with another micro USB data cable. Now, open Device Manager on your computer. Then, plug in the ESP32. As soon as you plug it in, a new device should appear. If nothing shows up, it likely means there's an issue with your cable. Replace it with another micro USB data cable. If you see a yellow error sign on the device, it means the driver is missing. To fix this, open your browser and search for CP2102 driver. Click on the official website from the search results. Then, go to the Downloads section. Download the correct driver for your operating system. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the downloaded zip file and select Extract to unzip it. Now that the file is extracted, go back to Device Manager. Right-click on the same device that was showing the error, and select Update Driver. Next, click on Browse My Computer for drivers, then click on Browse again. Go to your Downloads folder and select the folder with the extracted driver files. Click OK, then click Next. The driver will now install. Once it's done, you'll see that the error sign is gone, and the device is now showing as COM4. Whenever you connect your ESP32 in the future, make sure to check the COM port name. It should appear as COM4, or another number depending on your system. Now, we'll upload a blink LED code to check whether everything is working properly or not. From next time onwards, we'll start learning how to write our own code. So, let's begin. First, open the tutorial link. Scroll down to find the section titled ESP32 Driver and Blink LED. Click on it, and press Ctrl+C to copy the entire code. Now, open your Arduino IDE. Press Ctrl+A to select all the existing code in the sketch, then press the Delete key to remove it. Next, press Ctrl+V to paste the code you copied earlier. Now, go to the Tools menu. Then Board. Then select ESP32. And then choose ESP32 Dev Module. Again, go to Tools. Then Port, and select the COM port to which your ESP32 is connected. In my case, it was COM4, but yours may be different. Finally, click the Upload button, the right arrow icon, to upload the code. If everything is set up correctly, the onboard LED will start blinking. So, today you have learned to update driver and upload code. In next video we will learn more about coding and other sensors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.